forces out. We've got Excelsia. As the begin down on the inside, Buyogan cash register. Down on the inside, Glorious Choice and Magato is racing him as Excelsia. Buyogan is running by the Alec. Watching in third is cash register. Glorious Choice in fourth and Magato. Moving up on the outside now is cash register to take the lead. Cash register takes the lead by Oranek. Down on the inside is Buyogan. Excelsia in third and racing in fourth Magato and Glorious Choice with cash register by Amaralenga. Buyogan still in second. Excelsia, Magato now on the outside board, but it's still cash register by about 2.5 lengths. Magato, Buyogan, Excelsia and Glorious Choice. Cash register still in front by Amaralenga. Magato is on the outside. Buyogan, then comes Excelsia and Glorious Choice as they come down to the last 50, and it's still cash register. Magato is on the outside. Buyogan, then comes Glorious Choice. Cash register still in front, followed by Magato, Buyogan, but it's still cash register. Entering the finish line, it's cash register. Magato, Excelsia, then comes Buyogan, and Glorious Choice comes in last.
Alright, so naging winner natin dyan, yung Yamada rin, number 5.